Good morning. Welcome to Working Horses with Jim. Today we are experiencing our first snowstorm of the season. It started overnight. Jim's been busy cleaning out pens this morning with Ken and Buck. He's done 4 loads of manure this morning, and so he's been busy with that out in the wet, and he's in here sweeping.
Hi everybody. So yes, Brenda said we getting a manure spread today. I cleaned the colt's pens out and got all the horse manure cleaned up. We are having a bit of a snowstorm, enough so that we actually lost power. As you can see, we have no lights on here in the barn, and I might have to hitch the generator up so we have power, but we're good for a few hours. Actually, it's been a few hours already, but anyways, I spread the manure, and now I want to bring the Belgians back inside, and after lunch I'm going to hitch them up to my roller and go out and make sure my trail's okay and roll this. This is kind of a wet, sticky snow, which is great. I will roll the trail and get that packed down. I'll have to take my chainsaw with me, because who knows what trees and whatnot might be down across the trail, and I'll get that all cleaned up and ready to go. So let me get the Belgians in, and then I will spread that load of manure and be done with that.
We wanted to thank everybody for all the calendar purchases that you've done, and just let you know we still do have some available if you haven't got your calendar yet. Looks like a good day to take some pictures for next year.
Okay. Okay.
So there's Bill and Lady. And, yep. Here comes the Suffolk colts. There's Baron. And Bill gets a little worked up when they're just across the fence here. I don't know if he's going to come in. How are you guys feeling about all this snow, huh? Bill, you want to be good today? No, he doesn't.
Come down. All right. Good.
Jim's coaxing him in with some grain. That worked like a charm.
Yeah, I wasn't planning on working these two at all day. That's why we kicked them outside. But I decided that to spread the work around, since I spread 4 loads with the Percherons, I will do this with the Belgians.
Yeah, because this is pretty hard work with this kind of snow, isn't it?
Not really. Sometimes it is, but it shouldn't.
Well, I was thinking if you used the Percherons for spreading all the manure and then rolled the trails with them. He says no, but they haven't been doing a lot lately, so I'm glad he's sharing the workload a little bit. It's nice when everybody gets a little exercise too.
Definitely. So tomorrow we have at least one sleigh ride, maybe 2, and the Percherons be used for that, so that's why I figured I'd use the Belgians for this. Okay. Nice step. Oh. Oh. Nice step. Oh. Heel bit. Alright. Ha. 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 Sheep. Oh. No. Oh.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our video of us out spreading in the snowstorm. Hopefully in our next video we can share with you our time out on the sleigh ride trail, rolling the snow in and getting ready for sleigh rides. You guys have a great day.
doing the